Hey, what is going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we are talking about the positive reviews people are leaving about the Harbor Freight's purple spray gun made by Central Pneumatic. Are these positive reviews actually true? Should you consider them when you're buying a cheap spray gun? Are they even able to spray anything through this gun? We'll find out. So keep watching. Alright, what is going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to be browsing the internet and looking up Harbor Freight paint gun reviews. What are the good things that people are saying about this gun? And are they true? If you guys don't know who this guy is, this is Bully Kid, and I highly encourage you to subscribe to his channel. This guy is a great YouTuber. But let's get to the other point of the video. We just went online onto Harbor Freights to make this positive review about the gun. And I'm noticing that the prices are $29.99 for this gun, which is crazy because last week when I made this video about the negative reviews, as you can see right here, when we go on this main page, we got $15.99 for both guns. And now, a week later, both guns are $29.99. Almost doubled in price because of my one video that I made. See how much popular these guns are getting because of me? If you guys are looking for anybody to market a product, just contact me via email. Link in the description below. Alright, so let's look at some of these positive reviews here. Hopefully now you guys are seeing what I'm seeing here on Harbor Freights, and a lot of 5-star reviews. Let's start from the bottom here. Great little gun. I use these guns for all my primer work. They get the job done. Another one, great spray pattern. I have bought a few of the spray guns and have had great luck with them. Great value. Works like my boss's 800, I guess, Devil Bliss spray gun. $800, maybe that's what he meant to say. Awesome gun. You can't beat the price. It's reliable, easy to use, works as supposed to. You can find another product. I beat this for the price. What? Spray gun, just a cheap primer gun. So a lot of people are using these guns as a primer gun because primer, you don't really need a nice gun. Usually you're going to sand the primer down anyway once you spray it. So I can see people using this gun just for a primer gun, and then they use a higher quality gun for their base coat and clear coat if you're doing this 3-stage painting process. And there's another painting process called single stage. We'll go over that one day. But works great. I'm spraying a oil-based paint through it to paint steel. It's working perfect for what I need. Works great for stain. It's cheap and does the job way better than cans of spray paint, I think he meant to say. Great product, very easy to use, and can't beat the price. And there's one guy here, auto spray gun, cannot get a better product for less. This is the second time I use this gun. Paint comes out perfect as long as you have a steady hand and a decent compressor. And this is one I wanted to talk about because this guy was actually using it for automotive painting. So nice paint gun, but nice gun, but there's a few things that they could have noted on the box. So you're supposed to take it apart and clean it before you use it and after, but you have to buy a tool to get the nozzle off the head. Didn't know that till I read the manual. Whatever, I just soaked the head, being careful not to get any cleaner in the air inlet. So yes, I recommend this gun, but I also recommend getting the tool to remove the nozzle so you can clean it properly. Like I mentioned before, guys, we were lucky enough to comp some old style spray guns from Harbor Freight. So those guns all come with a tool. So I have all the tools that are necessary to remove the spray head and clean it off perfectly. It looks like the newer ones, they're cheaping out on them and they're not including the tool to remove it. Which I'm curious now, if they raise the price to double right now to $30 and they're not including that tool, man, that's not even worth it, is it really? But check it out. You can see this guy, he looks like he sprayed, well, if the pictures worked. Internet connection, guys. Internet connection. Just take a look again. Anyway, you know, these people are spraying whole cars. I've been watching people on YouTube spraying single stage paint and dual stage paint on their cars with decent results. This guy looks like he just laid a base coat of red paint on his Dodge Neon, and it's a DIY project. As you can see, he's probably doing this at home. But there's also some YouTube videos that I wanted to share. I mean, most of these reviews are pretty good. They're saying that good gun, cheap, effective. If you don't want to clean it, just throw it out, buy yourself another one. Because again, you need a lot of the solvents to clean the gun. So a lot of people find it more efficient just to replace the gun every time and get a nice clean spraying pattern. But let's look at some YouTube videos. And of course, you do have your original post right there by Vortex67. This gentleman is spraying, it seems like he's spraying a single stage paint on his Chevy S10 hood. Outside, you know, it's not the best painting condition, but the hood is looking like it's coming out fairly good right there. On to the next one. This is Build. A lot of popular YouTuber here, another popular YouTuber here, 74,000 subs, and he actually painted his Mazda Miata with this gun, and this is the result.
Now I'm making this video because I'm surprised, honestly. I've never done a whole car with this gun, and it really did blow me away a little bit. I thought I might as well make a video. It's obviously not a sponsored video. You don't have to be sponsored to buy a $15 gun, but I do love it. I'm really happy with it.
All right, there you go. You heard it. He's really happy with it. Came out good. So automotive project came out good. That gives me some hope. And this guy Sam Crack, 624,000 subscribers. He actually made a video. He bought the regular cheap, you know, the purple gun from Harbor Freights, and then he bought the little upgraded one they sell for about $60-$70, and he painted his front bumper off his Corvette, and this is what he had to say.
If you plan on doing some of your own paint work at home, I don't know how you could go wrong with either of these guns, but especially for only 13 bucks, I couldn't really tell a difference in how this gun performed. Now maybe you like a better fit and finish, you like a better feeling in hand, you like the better quality materials. If you do, at $60, I still don't think anything compares price-wise to the professional or more expensive cheap paint gun from Harbor Freight.
So as you guys can see, Harbor Freight paint guns, if you use the gun properly, if you have a compressor that works with the gun, if you use the proper painting tips and you are knowledgeable in some ways and taking the right steps to a professional paint job, you will get decent results. You might even get better than decent results. You just got to keep on practicing. So guys, I'm going to cut this video short because it is getting extended. I can't wait to start painting some of the stuff that I have. We are currently waiting for parts that I've been ordering online, like a respirator, the oil water filter, the pressure regulator, and other stuff that we will need. We will need paint strainers and such. So once everything comes in, once the weather starts getting nicer, once I start getting over this stomach flu that I had, we are going to jump into action, guys. We are going to start painting some stuff. Again, my first time painting, so you guys stay tuned if you want to see a complete noob trying to paint something automotive and see how it comes out. Because automotive shops are charging an arm and a leg for this stuff. So if you can put a little bit of time and effort into this and slash the prices in half or more and get the satisfaction of doing it yourself, it is completely worth it in my book. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you appreciate any of the content I'm putting out, and we'll see you on the next video.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya.